Hi, everyone. Rick Dwyer, Chief Operating Officer, Tactive, along with Tony Roylance, strategist for CMS. So, Tony, some changes came in the market this week, and how did that impact your models?
Absolutely. The previous weeks of what's bad is good is carried through, and now we're starting to see some very positive bullish momentum. We'll just jump to the model real quick here. I'll share screen.
Okay.
Actually, so we talked Friday morning, right at Friday's close. Once the data came in, we turned positive. So our models, both the ETF model and the stock model, flipped to bullish on Monday morning at the open. And we've been riding that momentum this week. It doesn't appear to be any sign of that changing anytime soon. As you can see, we do have this kind of neutral dividing line. The earliest that I could see us possibly flipping back to bearish would be 2 to 3 weeks at the absolute earliest. So I think we're going to be in a protracted bullish phase here for a while. I mean, we'll let the tape decide, but we're positioned. We're positioned 100% long at this point.
Great. So both models fully engaged right at the moment?
That's correct.
Okay. So then in order for both models to come out, your indicator has to flip the other way. Is that correct?
That's correct. Right. And the risk management is built into the model is we can be aggressive and go 100% long because since we are active and we are tactical, we can minimize our downside, our drawdowns by the way that we invest in and out of the market. So during risk off periods, we go into a fixed income or a cash position, but while we're long, we can be 100% long. So we can step on the accelerator a little more aggressively than just a traditional money manager.
Great. Anything else that you saw in the market this week that kind of correlated with your change?
Well, the news coming out, the economic news coming out, showing cooler inflation and numbers. Definitely positive for the bulls. So yeah, there's more and more positive catalysts out there, but we'll just continue following the tape.
Yeah, so I guess we'll have to see if this bullish sentiment continues, and if in fact we have no inflation anymore, as it was reported by the White House, which is a little bit misleading at the least. So anyway, thank you, Tony. Advisors, if you have any questions regarding the models that CMS manages, or for Tony specifically, feel free to reach out to him and to CMS. I'm sure they'll be happy to go over everything with you. Until next week, Tony, have a great weekend, and we look forward to talking to you on Friday.
You too, Rick. Thank you. I'll see you then.